Hi, my name is Peter Gadzinski and I'm the product manager for MaxScheduler. Today I'm doing a little video to show you how to import data from QuickBooks into MaxScheduler. Here we're looking at the main screen of MaxScheduler. Let's take a look at QuickBooks. Here we have QuickBooks Pro 2007. MaxScheduler imports invoice data. What you can see here, it imports the report, which is reports, sales, sales by customer detail. The idea being that you may want to import invoices which have jobs that you may want to schedule. We're going to import data around a date range that is December 16th, 2007 to the 18th. So we'll just type in 16th here, 18th, refresh the report, and here we have a set of data that we'll be importing. Okay, let's go back into MaxScheduler. When you import data into MaxScheduler from QuickBooks, the idea is you import data around a date range or date window. And this starts with the start date of the schedule. Right now we have December 17th, 2007, and we're importing data before and after this date. That's specified through configuration, edit general application attributes. And here we have two fields, QuickBooks import before today gap, QuickBooks import after today gap. So we have 1 and 1, and the date is December 17th, 2007. So we're going to be importing from the 16th to the 18th. Okay. So let's now before I trigger the import, it's important to mention that QuickBooks requires you to grant permission to programs to get access to the QuickBooks data. This makes sense because there's lots of important sensitive information in QuickBooks. So when you trigger the import for the first time, a screen will pop up in QuickBooks asking you, telling you that this program is trying to get access to your data. Do you want to give permission? And I think you should choose the level of permission that you think is appropriate and allow the import to take place. So I'll start that right now. Go to File, Import Data from QuickBooks. You get a little warning screen or a screen that reminding you saying we're importing information about the date range the 16th to the 18th. So click OK. A little script will run in the background. You'll see a black window for a second. Okay, now we're looking at QuickBooks, and here's the screen that asks you to grant permission, or whether you want to grant permission for a program to have access to the data. So I'm going to choose here, yes, prompt each time. We have another screen that reminds you which program is trying to get access to which QuickBooks database. Click Done. Let's go back into MaxScheduler. The MaxScheduler is paused, or is kind of frozen while the import is taking place. And we should be seeing, and we see the data imported at the below in the list view. Now, importing data the first time is the most troublesome. After that point, after you've granted permission, things work smoothly. And I'll show you how that's done now. So let's clear the items in the list view and trigger the import again. We get the specification about the date window again. Click OK. And it takes a while for the processing to be done. QuickBooks actually gives us an XML file, and we produce a CSV, which we import. So a few more seconds, the data will appear, and we see that data again. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video.